Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to transfer money between Interactive Brokers accounts. Let's get straight into it. I'll be showing you this on the client portal. First, click on Transfer and Pay in the top navigation, then click Transfer Funds. The Account Selector window will pop up. In the Account Selector, click on the account you want to transfer money from. This is your source account. If you have a lot of accounts, you can use the search function to find it quickly. Once you've selected it, you'll see it highlighted. Now click Continue at the bottom of the Account Selector pop-up. That'll close the pop-up and take you to the Transfer Options screen. At the top of the screen, you'll see a tab menu. Click on the Internal Transfer tab. This opens the internal transfer form. The first field you'll see is Transfer Type. Click on that drop-down and select Cash Transfer. That's the option you want for moving money between accounts. Next, click on the Destination Account drop-down below that. Select the account you want to transfer money to. Your available accounts will show up in this list. Once you've picked one, click Continue. Now you'll see the currency and amount fields appear. Click on the currency dropdown and select the currency you want to transfer. Then click in the amount field and type in how much you want to move. Once you've entered the amount, click Continue. Depending on your security settings, you might be prompted to enter your username and password with two-factor authentication, or you'll get an email with a confirmation number. Either way, you'll receive an email notification immediately. If you see the login prompt, enter your credentials and complete the two-factor authentication. If you're asked for the confirmation number, check your email, copy the number, and paste it into the confirmation number field on the internal funds transfer page. Finally, click Confirm to submit the transfer. Quick things to know, these internal transfers are completely free, and cash transfers usually process pretty quickly. Just make sure the account titles match on both accounts, or the transfer won't go through. You'll get an email receipt once it's confirmed, so keep an eye on your inbox for that. Thanks for watching.